What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to do a full tune-up with a coil assembly on a 2011 Kia Soul with a 2.0 liter. Now this will apply to most of your Kias with the 2 liter. I am doing the coil because it's got a dead coil on the number 1 and it's setting a misfire P0300, and there's no spark coming out of that side of the coil. But you cannot buy these individually. You have to replace the whole coil assembly, and that's probably a good idea anyways, because if one goes bad with 150,000 miles, the other one's going to be right behind it. Anyways, enough talk, let's get started. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Let's do this. The first thing you're going to want to do is pull your plug wires. Now normally I would tell you to number your cylinders, but these go by length, and also the numbers are on the old wires, so you can't really mess up because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the coils are number 2. See, 1, 4, 3, 2. We're going to do our plugs first. Going to want to use a 5/8 socket for this. Now make sure when you pull your plug wires out, if they have oil all over them, that can also cause a misfire too. If that happens, you're going to want to change your valve cover gasket. These little round grommets inside the gasket, they start leaking eventually, but that's not the problem on this one, so we're not going to change it. Don't fix it if it ain't broke, as I always say. Alright, now we're going to take our new spark plugs. Just make sure they're the same length and the same number. Same as that. I'm going to use NGK, laser iridium. Don't use anything else. I promise you, if you do, it'll come back with a misfire. You're going to want to start them all by hand. Now you do it yourself at home. If you don't feel confident doing it with the gun, do it with your hands. But I've been doing this for long enough, I feel confident with my gun. You're welcome. One of our regular customers. Gotta take care of your regular customers. Alright, now we're gonna put the wires on. Have a good day. Well, sorry, I thought I brought the wires out here with me. I guess not. They're not in the car, so. Yeah, I'm doing this outside because we are fully staffed today. All bays are taken. And it's a beautiful day out, so why not? Sorry about that. Thought I was prepared. You want to get some good quality wires too. Belden makes good wires. And the good thing about the Belden wires is they come numbered just like the original wires. Number 4. Get those out of the way. You can use this grease if you want to. I never do. Number 3. Just push down until you feel them click. Number 2. Number 1. Alright. Now it's time to focus on our coil assembly. And these boxes make a good trash can. Take this intake boot off. 10 millimeter. Lean that out of your way. You shouldn't have to take that hose off. So if you look on here, you're going to have 2 bolts on the back side and 2 bolts on the front side. So 2 bolts, 12 millimeter. The motor! Four. Unplug it. Those little black tabs, you push back on them. Unplug. Yeah, you don't have to unplug those. I thought something was not right here. Oh, okay, I see what it is. There we go. Little plastic connector. Alright, now. Just make sure it's numbered right. 2, 3, 4, 1. I've seen aftermarket parts be numbered wrong. Alright, grab 2 12s. Start them by hand. Sorry if I'm going too fast for y'all. It's a busy day. And I'm working outside, trying to multitask. Got my manager asking me questions from in the building. I'm having to holler at him. That's what we do, right? We whistle while we work. If you can't whistle while you work, then you probably shouldn't be doing this for a living. If you want to make money in this business, you got to be fast and thorough. Alright. Now, number 4, it's a good reference since you can't really see it hardly. So number 4 goes right here. Click it into the valve cover. Number 3 goes right here. Number 2 right here. And of course number 1 and the last one. Tuck that in front of the bracket. That's what they put that on there for, so it won't rub a hole in the wire. A little insulation right there. Okay, I messed up. Bring all these forward. There we go. The valve cover kind of tells the story of where they go. Alright, make sure you plug it in or it won't start. Just till you feel it click. Pick your boot back up. And don't forget to tighten down your clamps or that'll pop off and suck in dirty air from the outside. Or even worse, well, this one don't have a mass airflow, so you ain't got to worry about a mass airflow code. But it won't be healthy for the engine, so make sure you tighten that. Get rid of all your old parts, get them out of the way. Set these down here. Make sure anything and everything that might bounce around is out of your way, always before you start the car. Make sure it's running right. Just like that. And just reset your codes and you're good to go. And it was that simple. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below and check like, of course. That way I can continue making videos like this for y'all's life, to make your life easier. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.